Hey guys, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we'll review a new media player app for Android phones which was released recently. So it's KM Player. So KM Player is one of the popular media player apps right now available, and it's released for Android as well as iOS. So it's a desktop player which is really popular and supports quite a lot of media extensions. So it does have support for quite a lot of media files. So it's very similar to VLC player, which also supports most of the media files. So this app is now released for Android phone. So let's go ahead and have a look at what's new in this app and how it works on Android phones. So we'll just open the KM Player. So you can see here it's at a beautiful black interface. So you can see all the files, so all media files. Then KMP folder is there. Then you have camera files, downloaded files, files from internal memory, external memory. Then you have the general settings. So this is a sidebar kind of a mechanism, so floating sidebar. So you can just swipe it to access the sidebar. So if you click camera, you get all the camera files available from your device. So you can click on any one file and just see the player. So we have opened a video with KM Player, and you can see quite a lot of options here. So you can increase the brightness of the screen. Then you can move to the different tag using the on-screen option. So you can just rewind or fast forward from here. Then you have the option to go to next track, then forward from here. Then there is also option to lock the screen, and I mean screen lock rotation. So that's also available. So these are the options available on this player. So it comes with a beautiful interface. So it has camera playback. So then you have auto screen lock, just a base playback, fast forward and volume control. Then you can go to previous as well as next file from here. Then you can sort out, so let's go back to the main screen. So you can sort out video files from here. So you can see file name by file size or by name. Then you can go ahead and view other files, so all media. Then you can see the downloaded files. So these files can be viewed separately. So internal memory, so all the files. So you can see the beautiful interface. It's really responsive interface, so it's really fast. You can see here you can go back to other folders pretty fast. So navigation is really smooth with KM Player, so it's really fast. Then you have the general settings here. So enable frame skip, time stretch audio. So these features are some advanced feature. So you can detect headset, exclusive headset remote control. So these are the other options available in KM Player. So it's a beautiful media player, and it does support quite a lot of media files. So you can play most of the files like 3GP, FLV, movies, MPEG, then you have WMV files, then VOB files, so AVI, MP3, MP4. So most of the media files are supported on KM Player. So and it also has a beautiful interface. So that's KM Media Player for Android. So we have done the detailed review of these features. So it's a beautiful media player, and it comes with quite a lot of options as well. So you can go ahead and download this free player from Android store and install it on your Android phone and use it to play media files on your phone. So that's a quick review of KM Player for Android. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and finally thanks for watching this video.